getting a little closer, but it's alright. Let's go for the tautog that we came here for.
I knew it was going to happen that way anyway. You see how the weather changed?
Huh?
You see how the weather changed so bad?
Yeah.
With that fucking storm?
Skinny anyway. It's a keeper though. Yeah. Okay. Stay here. Got a fish. Spider crab, my friend. Hey, here. See, I ain't kidding, look, spider. Solid 18 in the water or so. Huh?
Give me a piece of that.
Yeah. The question is, do we stay here or do we move to the better spot? Give it a few minutes, right? We're catching fish. sir. I'm getting a bite, sir.
Every time I get a good bite, it's fucking wave it.
Yeah. And the pull hold is gonna get me a fish. Wait, let's check this guy. Where the heck you go? It's about 18 inches. It's the ugly bait, my friend, I told you. That's all I'm using is the ugly bait. You got the little fish. I'll probably, I don't think I hooked this one right. Oh yeah. But it's increasing instead of being dying down. Told you, ugly bait. Eat it already.
Bait again?
Huh?
Bait?
Ugly bait. Definitely ugly bait. I'm telling you. Still calling my bait ugly? Out goes the ugly bait. Came off. Wow. I thought I had that one. We'll go back. Got you, sucker.
Yeah, I priced the square anywhere between 150 to 200. So I can get it for like 120 something. But the problem is
nice fish, but you need what? Oh. fish is gonna bend the shit out of that pole. Yeah, he's a handle, yeah. That's why I said bend. Almost there, kind of. I check it. That might keep. I mean, you gotta put a fish in a box eventually, right? You stuck on the rope again with the fish? Or? No, I got it wrong because there's no shakes. I hooked them in the belly or something. Almost 17 and a half. $15.
Walking in the fucking store and buying it. There'll be some Chinese food anyway, because I haven't been collecting all of that either.
Mm-hmm. Huh?
You're going to get both of them.
This is number 6.
Yeah, that's tough.
Yeah, oh yeah, you haven't put a fish. Well, the other day you've kicked my ass a few times. Oh, that's a good fish. Yeah. See, I just had to tease you that you hadn't put a fish in the box yet. Yeah, no, you got that one. I know you do. Yeah, that's definitely a keeper. I haven't seen it yet. Maybe.
Charge them up to 13. One guy said to me, hey, watch out. You'll get caught using that electricity. Okay, no problem. He doesn't know I got collisions on the southern place. But I told him, I said, hey, you need to do this. I said, well, either let me charge it up over there, or charge out for 3 hours, one for 3 hours out.
7. Oh, I like that. Nope. What's the matter with you?
Probably missed a lot of bites too.
Yeah.
Fucking $15,
definitely a keeper. Trying to get him by the ass, but
Okay.
yeah, why was he trying to steal my bait? Nice fish. What, 17, 18? 19 inches. 8. 2 more, come on, 2 more.
Let me get at least.
Huh?
Let me hold my own. At least let me get two.
I'm waiting. Yeah, go ahead. I'll wait for you. Number 9. Yeah.
Different ways.
Yep.
Fry it. Bake it with olive oil and water.
Mm-hmm.
Sauce on it.
If I have this one hooked right, this is number 10. We're done. Hope it's a keeper. Oops, sorry. Definitely a keeper. Yep. See, when I came with my dad the other day and my brother, my dad was catching the big fish because he was using the brown crabs. I was just using green crabs and mainly catching smaller ones, just like you today. And then I switched. I was using the spider crabs mixed with the brown crabs, and then fishing got good for me. We barely, that's why I said, like, we didn't even use a gallon of the green crabs. Well, my friend, almost 19, so we good. Are you gonna hit one?